check whether advanced restart button is available or not. As you can see, it's available, and remove the passwords if already applied. For better things, like go to security and screen lock. As you can see, the fingerprint scanner and this pattern, keep it none. Now go into recovery. Its advanced restart button is given in this ROM, and I already made this review of this ROM. You can check out here, and boot into recovery. It takes a little bit of time, wait for it. As you can see, this is the latest recovery I am using, Orange Fox recovery, and go into wipe section and select here partitions like Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data. Swipe here to wipe. Once that has been done, go again here and select this files here, and wherever you have downloaded the files, select that and flash the firmware is this is the Violet MIUI in global 12.5.1. This is the latest firmware available for Violet. I'm in the Redmi Note 7 Pro. You need to flash that. Later flash the file. Just now I downloaded this ArrowOS version 12. As you can see, this is how the ArrowOS. This is the ArrowOS 12 Tuesday January 18th, latest build with January security patch with Android 12. As you can see, the ROM has been flashed. Again go to files and select the encrypt disabler and flash it. In order to be decrypted, you need to flash this one, or if you want to use like format data method, you can use that also. Now go into reboot and system. It takes a little bit of time to boot for first time. Wait until it gets booted. And this is how the flashing method for ArrowOS 12 on Redmi Note 7 Pro with January security patch. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You are watching Sampath SAMFX YouTube channel, and this is the ArrowOS 12 GApps version for Redmi Note 7 Pro with January 5th 2022 security patch, and the kernel used here is 4.14.190. Arrow GF kernel has been used, and this is the latest build with January 18, as you can see in the screen here. And I have been running here CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes. You can see here the maximum is 119 and average is 108 and minimum is 95. CPU throttle to 89% of its maximum performance. This is how the performance, and straight away let's move into the dialer here and let's see. And this is how the volume panel you get. As you can see, direct video call feature is available in this ROM. Let's see whether the call recording is available or not. No, unfortunately there is no call recording feature in this ROM. And into the app and app drawer you get like this, and this is the home screen you get. There are no pre-installed wallpapers here. As you can see, into change wallpapers, there are no pre-installed wallpapers, just one black this ArrowOS is available. And let's see widgets are available or not regarding Android 12. Into the widgets clock, as you can see there is a widget options Android 12, which is good thing in my opinion. As you can see, you can adjust based upon your wallpaper, the color will changes, and you can drag and you can change even further also. As you can see, tap to finish later and edit here. This is how the widgets you can get with Android 12 based ArrowOS on Redmi Note 7 Pro. This is the latest build with January security patch. Coming into DRM info, you get level 1 certification, as you can see, such that you can watch all the OTT application in HD resolution, which is not a problem in this ROM. And coming into gallery is pre-installed here, and some of the Google apps are pre-installed. Simple ROM. This is basic, even basic than Pixel experience this ROM is. And into the Geekbench score, single score is 483 and the multi score is 1155. And the kernel, as I said earlier also, Linux 4.14.190 Arrow G1, this kernel has been used here. And coming into the settings panel, this is how the settings panel you get. Basic Android 12, any custom ROMs you have seen in Pixel experience or AOSP ROMs, same thing in this ROM also, ArrowOS 12. And into the app settings you get all this default apps here. home launcher is launcher, and you can choose some of the default apps from here. Special app access also given. Into the notifications, bubbles feature is also available. Sensitive notifications you can enable or disable from here. Even annoying notifications also you can do the same. Into the battery settings, as you can see, battery usage I have been using from like last 1 hour and it was around 80%. You can see in the flashing method also. The earlier ROM it was like around 89 or like that. The battery life is really good in this ROM because it's very simple ROM, no customization or whatever, and the kernel used here is also plays a vital role, and the firmware we flashed also makes difference to get you very good battery life. Also I will be showing you the PUBG New Start gameplay. Stay tuned till the end of the video such that you will understand how is the actual performance on this ROM. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like guys. I will be motivated to make similar kind of videos. Also 3D mark I haven't done it, and you will get Google Go camera as a pre-installed camera. If you want, you can use any Gcam ports. Even ANX camera can be installed in this ROM, which is not a problem in my opinion. And these are the recent apps, as you can see guys. And into the safety net status, let's see whether it will get passed or not. Yeah, fortunately it get passed. You can use all the payment applications and WhatsApp, as you can see. Those things will be working fine. You can definitely try it out as a daily driver. As you can see, the smoothness in this UI is very good. Simple enough, but most underrated ROM for any smartphone. ArrowOS, they don't like it that much, but it's very good ROM. And let me see into the settings, and this is a quick settings panel you get, and this is a power button, power off, lockdown, restart. And into the settings I was explaining until sound. Now the display settings here, adaptive brightness, let me show you. Let me turn on the light here, you will get to know how is the adaptive brightness. As you can see, now again I will turn on. As you can see, 53 to 77% adaptive brightness is working fine. Screen timeout, dark theme, let me show you how it will work. As you can see, it's not pitch black condition here. As you can see, it's little bit gray type like that. I don't like it, but do comment down below how you like the dark theme in smartphones. Like with custom ROMs, how do you like? I want like pitch black condition, but it's not available. And colors option you get natural, boosted, saturated, adaptive. You can adjust the RGB strength also. Tap to wake is there. If you want, you can enable from here. Ambient display is also given. Into the accessibility menu, you will get accessibility menu. You can enable from here. As you can see, it's an Android 12 style. It's an handy feature. You can directly, without using the volume button and without sliding this quick settings panel, you can adjust the brightness and volume. Those things will be useful. Even you can take the screenshot and move to quick settings from this accessibility menu. And coming into security, you just get a fingerprint unlock. There is no face unlock, or even the app locker is also not pre-installed. Let me show you the speeds of the fingerprint unlock. As you can see, it's quick enough, not the fastest, but still you will get used to it. It takes a little bit of time also sometimes. And this is how the fingerprint and security, and location is also working fine, not a problem. And system, into that gestures, 3-button navigation and gesture navigation is also there. Gesture bar you can enable or disable, but there is no option to increase the gesture bar length or radius. This is how the ArrowOS. And without wasting time, let's move into PUBG New Start, how it will handle the gameplay with this ArrowOS 12 in Redmi Note 7 Pro. And the good thing in this PUBG New Start is like when you compare to BGMI, you will get like graphic setting. Let me show you. As you can see, you can keep the graphic up to ultra, but I'll keep in light. It's like smooth, and up to maximum is given. It's 60 fps, as you can see. And the loudness is also good in this speakers. As you can see, I'll enable the volume panel button also, you can check out here. And guys, this is very good game as of now. Before it was not that much optimized. There are still bugs here in this game, but when you play this one against BGMI, this is a very good game, as you can see. Okay, there's a station mode, whatever you call in BGMI, the TDM, like that. I personally play this game only. Before I was playing BGMI, Okay, it's fine. Okay, I'll come out. This is how the performance and everything, I hope I explained in this ROM. This is how the ArrowOS 12 on Redmi Note 7 Pro with January security patch. And if you still not subscribe it guys, and if you like the video, give it a like. And this is how the performance and everything. RAM management is also good, and you can take the screenshot from here. And thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.